Hi there everyone, it's Dory and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and cooking the 2-bean chili recipe on page 38 of the Campbell's collection cookbook. If you would like to purchase a copy of this cookbook, I will be placing an Amazon link in the description down below. So let's get started. For the ingredients, as you can see, we have tomato juice, tomato, ground beef, chili powder, onion, green pepper, some sour cream to put a dollop on top, and of course you can use some cheddar cheese and green onion as garnishment. I am going to make some adjustments because I have a 10-ounce ground beef instead of a full pound. Instead of 2 colors of beans, I've added a 1/3 can of beans. So instead of just red kidney beans and great white northern beans, I'm also going to be using the light red kidney beans. And I also just like my chili a little bit lighter on the meat. Okay, so I got my green pepper and onion all cut up. I'm going to put the hamburger and the veggies all in the pan at once. Okay, then I'm going to turn my stove on medium-high and cook them together. And I'll be right back. Now with the magic of TV, our ground beef and veggies are cooked. So I'm going to add some chili powder. And I'll probably add a little more to taste as I go along. I'm adding my beans. Tomato juice. And I'm gonna add my tomatoes right now, even though the recipe says to just top the chili with tomatoes and use it as a garnish. I like to cook it right into the chili, but you can do it either way, whichever way that you prefer. So here is the finished product. I let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and the recipe is really easy to build on. I also added a little extra chili powder, and I added some cumin to give it a little bit more flavor. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I am now ready to eat. I like to put some tortilla chips on top of my chili. Give it a taste. That is really good. It's a really easy weeknight recipe. Like I was saying earlier, very easy to build on. And as I was saying earlier, if you would like to purchase a copy of the Campbell's Collections cookbook, there is an Amazon link in the description down below. That cookbook has a lot of very easy weeknight type recipes that you can just make really easily and quickly. That's all for today. That wraps it up. Peace. Have a good evening, everyone.